Disorganized finances can make it difficult to plan and set your goals. Following a pattern of established management guidelines can help you stay on top of your financial situation throughout the year. Whether you need to overhaul your budget, assess your credit standing, or get a better handle on your investments, today I want to present 4 daily habits to make it easier to manage your financial life. I'm David Packer, Financial Advisor with Bridgerland Financial. The first is to set goals and monitor them. One of the key principles in money management is to establish goals for yourself and track your progress towards meeting those goals. For example, if your aspiration is to save a certain amount of money for retirement, then you can set monthly and annual saving targets or a goal for a specific account balance and regularly examine your progress towards these goals. The second is to consolidate accounts. People often accumulate multiple financial accounts, which can increase the burden of managing them. It also creates more opportunities for cybercrime. It's difficult to figure out how well or how poorly your nest egg is performing if your retirement assets are spread across multiple accounts. Consolidating as many accounts as possible will make performance evaluation a simpler procedure. The third is to set up automatic bill pay and savings. Missing a bill or late payments are usually met with a steep fee, and that's money that could have gone to a better cause. To avoid this situation, set up automatic bill pay. Many online financial institutions provide this service, and oftentimes there is no charge. Fourth is to team up with a financial advisor. Sometimes the best way to find success is to bring a professional on board. Financial professionals can offer advice on a wide range of issues: retirement, estate planning, insurance, taxation, and much more. With a professional guiding you down the financial path, you'll be better able to make informed decisions that may produce better outcomes. Now, by incorporating these changes into your regular money management routine, you may have less stress and more financial success. If you need help with any of these organizing tips, please feel free to reach out to us at 435-535-1630, no matter where you may live, to see how we can help. You can also visit our website at www.bridgetoretire.com. We look forward to hearing from you.